Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, movie queen in a love show, chapter 22. So here it is. Let's read the story. Dr. Rantau, right now, she was surprised someone is calling her. Who is talking about me? Came from the shower. Still, she was blushing. She was reading the text. Message has been sent to Suman. She was considerate and gentle when recording the show. She answered questions right after recordings. Right now, Rantau. She was thinking that Suman has two faces. Well, this little girl. She really thinks Suman so much. That's why right now she can help it. But just to think about her. You're done. How you start looking forward to Suman's message. You are right. You're talking nonsense. I didn't. Miss Shana's called. Come and answer it quickly. Right now, her friend is calling her. Well, Rantau. Rantau, it seems that she's going to answer her friend's call. Well, it turns out, her friend said to her, wow, those beautiful peaches fresh out from the bath. Right now, her friend is teasing her. Your face is still so red. Have you done something bad behind my back? Get out of here. Why are you looking for me? Ranta was asking her friend. Right now, hey. Who told you not to reply to my message just now? I watched the live broadcast replay. You and your stepmother, you really have a sense of camaraderie. Well, right now, her friends continue to tease her. Look at these pictures. Your eyes are going to be drawn. Well, she won't bother. But right now, still her friends is teasing her. Flashing back the situation. Been a little bit slow at you two. Well, everything. The flashback. Is being played off. The two of them are always close to each other. Right now, look at you. This little look, this thread, can you do it? Right now, her friend is teasing her. But for Suman, how could I look at my stepmother with admirations? Well, she was right. Suman, she's been closer to her. Right now, Rantau, she really tells that she feels something about her stepmom. Otherwise, he will accept your fate. Try a CP directly with your stepmother. Right now, Rantau, she was really shocked. Her friend is really cruel to her. Freya goes, she's my stepmother. What if Jisuma sees her? Think about it. How do you know she would like it? In case it is useful to the one family. You want to know what the red exclamation marks look like? Miss Rantau, sorry, I was wrong. Now her friends feel sorry about her. Hey, Wewe, I tested Sumans today. Well, right now, Rantau. She is busy talking with her friend, especially talking about Suman's affair. Well, right now, she said that it was because of the child that she got married. She helped my father's child's one night stand. Right now, Rantau, she's been curious. What kind of mans does Sumans want to find? He wants to have one night stands with Uncle Ron, middle-aged man. Do you think it's all about Biowewan's shameless one? Right now, Rantau, she looks really shocked. Well, what's happened in the past? That's right now. Rantau, she was really in shock. She can speak back to her friend. Oops, what did I mention Bioway wants to do? Well, it seems that Rantau, right now, has something to do on Bioway once. Right now, her friend. Seems that she was in the bad luck. Ah, that. Tao Tao, I didn't mean that. Her friend appears apologetic. But looking at Rantau right now. Change the subject. Hey, by the way, you wanted Baijan's WeChat before, right? Looking at Rantau's, she looks really mischievous. Well, did she really plan something? That's why right now it's like a little revenge. Yes. Finally willing to help your sister to match Baijan's dance tonight. Hey, matchmaking also costs some money. The wallet is empty recently. As long as you gave me Baijan's WeChat, I will immediately become your most loyal person. Now her friend sent her a money. After sending her money, she blocked her friend directly. Well, right now, it's the situations why it did suddenly hang up. The message has been sent but it's been rejected by the other party. Rantau, you boy, is by WeChat. Rantau, you emotional liar. Right now, she continued to send a message. It's not working. The message is not sending to Rantau. Well, what could it be? Will it trick Rantau? That's why right now, it's like a little revenge for her. Friend is screaming right now. Rantau, you're an emotional liar. In confident roar on the other side of the ocean. Well, her friend is still angry. Right now, looking at Rantau, she looks really calm. Who asked her to mention that person? 8,000 yuan was used to psychological treatment fee. Oh, this girl. She was really a little tricky. Right now, she know how to coax people. And also know how to take a little revenge for her. Right now, looking at Rantau, she was rolling around the bed. But she was really successful. Well, right now, she can think about it. Try a CP with your stepmom. Looking at Rantau. Since she already taking a bath, still, her face is turned red. Just thinking about it. Right now, looking at the situations. She and her stepmom being together also on the side. Her father. Well, right now, Rantau. To think about it silly. But she was laughing to herself. Seems that she was really fun on idea. I think so. It's also weird. Right now, she is laughing. Also, when she fall asleep. Also, she was dreaming about it. She and Suman are being together. Also, the two of them are getting close to each other. Her imagination. Suman was there. He was sitting beside Suman's. The two of them are getting closer to each other. Right now, Rantau. He was touching Suman's face. She was looking into her. It seems like she was really fond of her. Suman, she looks really beautiful. For Rantau, right now, she was thinking something. In her imagination, hold my hand tightly and put it in my waist. Then put it in my hand. It was really a sweet dreams. Bring what you want most. Place that to go most. So it was too deep. Right now, having to dream like that. Right now, it really makes her feel different. Suman is the one leading her. Said to her, Tao Tao, did you long for me, right? Oh, hearing this, right now, on her dreams, Rantau said to Suman that she was really longing for her. Wow, this chapter is really good. Even though it was imagination, Tao Tao is really awesome on imagining something. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!